Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Realme C3 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off camera shutter sound on your phone Realme C3. First, open camera and take picture. There is a sound. If you want to turn off this, click here and click on settings. Now turn off this option shutter sound. Now you will not hear any sound while taking a picture. Yes, there is no sound. If you want to have the sound, again turn on that button, shutter sound. So in this way, you can easily turn off or turn on camera shutter sound on your phone Realme C3. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.